Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can share other people's videos to your TikTok account. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments at the end of the video, and be sure to put your likes. So, let's get to our topic. And in order to share a video in TikTok, let's first, of course, open the application itself. Next, in order to share a video, we'll need to click on the Share button at the bottom, on the right side. Pause. And here you'll see a section like Repost. Click on that. And now if you go to your profile, you might see a section like this in the middle here. If you click on the two arrows, it will show you absolutely all the videos that you've shared on your account. That is, you have reposted a video to your page. And if we open it up, you'll see the video that I just reposted. If at some point you want to, for example, delete that video from your account, then it's very easy to do that. You open the video, then you click Share. Cancel Repost. And now if I click on Reposts, then as you can see this video was immediately deleted. That's the very simple way, friends, you can share other people's videos to your TikTok account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to our channel, write comments, put your likes, and see you soon.